Hi students, today we will learn how to insert commas, read and write larger number according to International Place Value Chart. Periods of International Place Value Charts are ones, thousand and millions. Periods of International Place Value Charts are ones, thousand and millions. In ones, there are three places, that is ones, tens, hundred. Then in thousand period there are three places, 1000, 10,000 and 100,000. Last is the period million. In million periods there are also three places, million, 10 million and 100 million. Once again, this is an international place value chart. During the international place value chart, three periods are there, ones, thousand and millions. Ones period there are three places, ones, tens, hundred. In thousand period there are also three places, 1000, 10,000 and 100,000. And in millions there are also three places, that is million, 10 million and 100 million. Consider one example. 723489624. First we write these numbers inside our table, that is 4, 2, 6. Next number 9, 8, 4. Next is 3, 2, 7. We write this number inside our table, that is ones place 4, 2, 6, 9, 8, 4, 3, 2, 7. Next, how we insert comma? First comma we insert after hundreds place. Second comma we insert after 100,000 place. Okay. First comma we insert after hundreds place. Second comma we insert after 100,000 place. Okay. So we read this number 723,489,624. This section is included in ones. This section is included in thousand and last section is million. So we read this number as 723,489,624. Once again explain. Consider number 723,489,624. We write these numbers inside our table, that is ones, tens, 100,000, 10,000, 100,000, million, 10 million and 100 million. Next is we insert comma. First comma we insert after hundreds place. Second comma we insert after 100,000 place. So this section is these three numbers included in ones position. These three numbers included in thousand periods and these three numbers included in million period. So we read this number as 723,489,624. Consider next example. 2438769. First we write these numbers inside our table, that is 9, 4, 6, 7, 8, 3, 4, 2. Then we insert comma. First comma insert after the hundreds place. Second comma insert after 100,000 place. Here the first comma after three numbers. Then second comma after three numbers. These places included in ones period and these places is included in thousand period and last position is included in million period. So we read this number as 24,387,649. Once again, consider the number 24387,649. First we write this number inside our table, that is ones, tens, 100,000, 10,000, 100,000, million, 10 million. Next we insert comma. First comma comes after hundreds place. Second comma comes after 100,000 place. So this section is included the period in ones period and this number included the period in thousand and this number is included the period in million. So we read this number as 24,387,649. Next is write numerals based on the international place value chart. Give an example. 6 million 282,000 729. The question is, write the numerals 6,282,729. Based on the Indian place value chart, we write only the numbers, not writing the periods. Based on international place value chart, we also write the numbers only, not writing the periods. So here the periods are, based on international place value chart, the periods are million, thousand, and there is no need of writing ones because 729 ones are 729. Okay. So in this question, the periods of international place value charts are million and thousand. So we write only the numbers. Then write numerals based on international place value chart. We write the numbers only, not writing the periods. That is, the first is 6, then not writing million. Second is 282, 282, not writing thousand. The third is 729. Okay. So we write only the numbers, that is 6, then 282, last is 729. Next we want to insert comma. Okay, based on international place value chart, we insert comma. First comma comes after hundreds place and second comma comes after 100,000 place. So we insert comma 6, 282, 729. In this section, this is including ones and this is thousand and this is million. Question is 6,282,729. So the numeral is 6, 282, 729. Okay. $422. Next example, 2,422. First we identify the places of these numbers. There is only one place here. There are two places, million and ones. No need of writing ones because 422 ones means 422. So one period is missing. That period is 1000. So there is missing for the 1000 position, that is 2 million. Then next we want 1000 position. Then last is ones position. So 1000 place is missing. First we write the number 2 million. Next we want the position 1000. In 1000 there are three sections, that is 1000, 10,000 and 100,000. So we write 3 zeros here. Next we write 422. 422. Then insert comma. First comma comes after hundreds place. Second comma comes after 100,000 place. Once again explain 2,422. First we identify the periods of these numbers, that is million and ones. There is one missing for the period, that is 1000. So we first write the numbers 2 million, right? 2, and our 1000 position, that means 1000, 10,000 and 100,000. Three positions are missing, so we put 3 zeros here. Then last one's place number is 422. So write 422. Okay, then we got 2,422. If suppose any missing of these periods, we put that place zeros. Next we will discuss exercises. All of you take page number 77, exercise 1.4. First question. Write the number names using the International Place Value System. Exercise 1.4. Number names. given the digits are A 9, 145, 683. Then based on international place value chart, these numbers are under the periods of ones, thousand and million. So we write this number name as 9,145,000 683. Once again, consider number 9,145,683. Based on international place value chart, there are three periods. First period is ones, second period is thousand, and third period is million. Based on the first period, that is ones period, there are three places, that is ones, tens, hundred. Second period is thousand, there are three places, 1,000, 10,000 and 100,000, and last period is million. There is only one number, that place is million. So we write these three numbers included as the period ones, and these three numbers included the period as 1,000, and last number is million. So we write the number name as 9,145,683. Second question, write the numerals using international place value system. First question, 6 million, 122,000, 703. Based on international place value chart, first we identify the periods of them. Here the periods are million, thousand, and there is no need of writing ones because 703 ones are 703. So we identify the periods of million and thousand. So we write the numbers only, not writing periods. So here the numbers are, first is 6, then not writing the period, no need of writing period, million. Next is 122, then write 122, no need of writing 1,000 because 1,000 as a period. Next number is 703, 703. Okay, first we write 6, then second write 122, and third write 703. Next we want insert comma. The first comma comes after hundreds place, that is this. First comma comes after hundreds place and second comma comes after 100,000 place. So this section is belongs to million, and this is thousand, and this is ones. So our number is 6,122,703. So no need of writing this. We want only numerals. That is 6, 122, 703.